We are going out, Olive.
And it's like, ouch! Hey, stop that again.
Olive! We will go. Tito will take you. Olive! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. आज है वीकडे है and कौन सा डे है? ट्यूसडे है आज and it's the 10th of November and it's not cold. It's strange that it's 24 degrees Celsius. Tiana wait. Tiana wait. तो मैं अपने बच्चों को दूसरे पार्क में लेके जा रही हूँ आज.
I need to see and I need to see.
And my kids are like, I need to see. Wait. You have to wait, okay? Tiana. Look at her. Tiana.
Tiana, I'll get that stuff.
Hey.
She's running. I need to see.
So okay, we have to cross the road now. मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ यहाँ पे road cross कैसे करते हैं. There is a way to do that. You have to wait. So this is another part of my neighborhood. सबके गराज कितने क्लीन है, हमारा ही इतना डर्टी है. Anyways, we are going to the park on that side of the road. You have to wait. Tiana, come here. So we are crossing the road and we have to press this.
Wait.
So we are going to the park, but I see that there are too many people in the park. तो हम शायद ज़्यादा देर तक ना रहे, तो मैं आपको एक glimpse दिखा देती हूँ. ये बहुत ही सुंदर पार्क है. Tiana was throwing epic tantrums. Okay, go. I can't help you. You go and you walk. Hey. I don't know what they are up to. Hey, Kian. Please come back. Can you go? Can you get up? I'll leave you and go. Tiana. Come. Okay, let's go here. Come. Come on. Come. You see, you will not get this weather again in the winters. Come on. Come. Chalo.
Get this off of me.
Come on. So see that there is the park. And there are so many people in the park. We'll not stay here for long, okay? Tiana.
Daddy, look at me. This is the mama.
Tiana, come. I cannot leave her and go with you. You have to slide with her. Come on, Tiana. Tiana, come. Tiana, come. Come on. Yes, come. Come on.
Go to the elevator.
Hey, come on. Come on. Tiana, come. Come on. Be careful, okay? You can't go up there. Come down now, jump. Not all. Leave it. Wait for your turn. Wait.
It goes up twice.
Wait. Hey. What are you?
I'm scared.
Okay, you come out.
It's flying.
Come out. What is this? Are you enjoying? So, go. You can do it. Go. Very good. So, this is the playground. We show you the glimpse of how beautiful it is. And that is the escarpment area. Where is she? You call her. Where is she? Don't go there. Look here. Be careful, baby. Where is Tiana? Hi guys, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. तो अभी हम आ चुके हैं ऊपर और ये देखिए ऑलिव को देखिए ज़रा, इसको बस इसको बस प्यार करो, बस, और कुछ नहीं चाहिए इसे. शी इज़ अ स्वीट हार्ट गाइस. देखिए Olu, get up. Olive, look at her. तो गाइस आप पीछे देख रहे हैं कि मेरा शॉपिंग का सामान अभी भी पड़ा हुआ है. And I'm thinking of making a vlog video about this shopping since I don't know when. और वो शुभ घड़ी आ ही नहीं रही है. It's not coming अभी भी. और आज तो अच्छा दिन है, आज पतिदेव खाना बनाने वाले हैं. तो अभी हम नीचे जाते हैं और देखते हैं कि वो क्या बनाने वाले हैं हमारे लिए. So let's go. So what are you making, Tirtha?
Sandwiches. Ati.
What sandwiches?
Ham and egg sandwiches for you and the kids.
And for you, tofu.
Tofu and egg sandwiches.
কি হয়েছে? কি হয়েছে বাবু? Okay, let's go back to daddy. So what all have you taken for the sandwiches? What have you done? Can you tell me?
Ham.
Huh? You have fried the ham?
I fried the ham.
Okay, and what is that?
Eggs. Eggs and mayo.
Okay.
Salt.
Okay.
And salt and basically.
Salt and pepper, right?
Salt and pepper. And then you mix it. And it goes in the sandwich maker.
So you have smeared some butter, right?
Yes, in the lid so that it doesn't stick.
Okay. So this is pretty simple, right? 1 minute.
Yeah,
Recipe.
prep time is 10 minutes. Making time is 1 minute.
Okay. Let's see what Kian is doing. Kian? কি দেখছো বাবু? What are you watching?
Captain
Are you hungry? Do you want to eat? Okay, let's go and sit there. चलो